Microbes, like bacteria and yeast, are nature's expert chemists. They are great at processing materials. But what if we could teach microbes new skills so that can help recycle waste and make cleaner, renewable resources for people? My research focuses on reprogramming microbes through metabolic engineering and synthetic biology. By doing this, we can turn organic waste, carbon dioxide, and methane into valuable products like renewable fuels, biochemicals, and sustainable materials. So as a part of a larger collaborative engineering research center involving 7 universities and 21 industrial partners, my lab is using microbial engineering approaches to recycle CO2 into biochemicals that serve as the building blocks for vitamins, antibiotics, and bioplastics. This research will help advance carbon neutral or even carbon negative manufacturing, an effort bolstered by a similar project in which we are partnering with the industry to engineer bacteria that can convert waste methane into fossil fuel-free plastics. I'm also extremely excited about leading new research on using AI to design proteins and engineer bacteria that bind to rare earth elements in acidic mining wastewater. The goal is to establish a sustainable process for recovering valuable critical materials from industrial waste streams. So together, these efforts show how tiny engineered microbes can have a huge impact on lowering greenhouse gas footprints, build a circular bioeconomy, and supporting resilient agriculture, environmental health, and society for a better tomorrow.